volume 2 of the stir-fried cabbage. Different way, different style, and the way I did it this way. You can try this one at home. So hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Thank you so much to tune in and watch my show, and see you next time. Thank you so much to tune in. Nice one. So we're gonna do a part 2 of the stir-fried cabbage. Alright, look at this. Roughly a teaspoon of olive oil in a frying pan, like that. Then next, what we're going to do, we're going to do a volume 2 of a stir-fried cabbage recipe. Very easy recipe, guys, and I know you will love this one. You know why? This is from Chef Ricardo, yeah? Garlic. That's 1 cube of garlic. Put a cube. I'm gonna use 2 cubes of garlic. Alright? And I know you guys will love this one. You know why? I'm always doing stir-fried cabbage. All of these kind of recipe, any recipe which is healthy, I'm interested in it. The oil which I'm just using it is some olive oil. Alright? Then white onion. Look at this recipe, you know. That's the white onion and the garlic. Alright? Lovely. Then look at this. Cabbage. Do you remember this cabbage? Yes, you're supposed to remember. That's the same cabbage that I'm talking about. Rubber. Hit me and cook now. One that turns to rubber in the pot. Alright? So that's the cabbage in the pot now. Give it a quick stir. Lovely and nice. Then yellow pepper, red pepper, and this one gonna be green pepper. Just gonna put a little bit of red cabbage in it, just to give it a little color. Tomato. Give that quick stir. Nice. Little bit of mixed pepper. No, mixed herbs. Sorry guys, that's some mixed herbs. Pinch of pepper. And this is some vegetable seasoning. Give it a quick stir. Stir-fried cabbage. Mud! I know you want to love this one. This one is a proper recipe, guys. Seriously. Don't play with Chef Ricardo when I'm in the kitchen. Alright? Then unsalted butter. That's a tablespoon to bring up the flavor. Wow, that's looking lovely and nice. Little bit of frozen corn, not too much. Little bit of green peas. We all know these are some natural stuff we put in there. So give it a quick stir. See how that looking lovely in the pot? Can you do this at home? Yes, you can do this at home. Very easy recipe, guys. You can do this at home. Put up a little bit more heat on it. Alright, and you see how that looking lovely and nice. Look at that, colorful with the red cabbage. Because what happened, the red cabbage bring up a lovely flavor to it, and that's exactly what you're looking for with the red cabbage. Volume 2 of the stir-fried cabbage. And the butter gonna bring in a nice flavor and a taste to it. Well, if you're allergic to butter, you don't need to put it, but this one doesn't got milk and it doesn't got salt. It's an unsalted butter, really healthy one. Now Chef Ricardo don't want to cook with anything which gonna be make you feel really bad, and the veg will help to balance off your diet. So as I can see, that looking so yummy and nice already, and it doesn't even cook down properly yet, because I can see I didn't even put any thyme in it because I don't have any, and I don't have any spring onion left. You can put carrot in it, and you can put spring onion and some thyme in it, yeah, and bring up the flavor even more. Look at that. Oh my God in heaven. This is a proper stir-fry veg, and this is exactly what I'm talking about, and this is that's why the fans them just love to watch my show. But anyway, we have a lot more ideas and recipes coming out for you, and if you notice, this doesn't even take too long what I'm doing at the moment. So just give that 5 more minutes by simple cover it and allow that may cook for 5 minutes. Look at this. You know what happened? I don't like when the veg cook out too much. So basically, I'm going to share out this now, yeah? Nice one. Let's share it out. Nice and lovely, guy. Look at the stir-fry veg. Serve it the roast. Oh my days, roast parsley, roast potato, and some jerk pork. Yummy. So anyway, and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. As you can see, enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.